We are back with Today Food, and get ready to meet the Smolletts. Growing up with 6 siblings in a multicultural household, acting was the first group activity that launched the siblings into the Hollywood spotlight. Their big break came in the 90s when all the children landed a role in the sitcom On Our Own. They've led to various careers. Jussie Smollett stars in the hit drama Empire. And Jurnee Smollett-Bell was most recently a lead in the Netflix drama Underground. From stardom to stew, this is a family that honors family gatherings around the dinner table. Their early years of crisscrossing the country ingrained a love of homemade food, now reflected in their newest project, The Family Table, recipes and moments from a nomadic life. You are welcome, and 4 of the Smolletts are with us now. Jake, Jez, Jurnee, and Jussie. Hey, guys, welcome.
Hey, thank you.
Okay, first of all, y'all are awesome. Why the J's? Is that just something that your folks thought would be a cool thing?
Our mom and dad are Janet and Joel, so they wanted to keep that going.
Well, you know what's cool about this? Your mom and dad physically built tables where
Mommy
you got...
did. Mommy's here, so let's make it clear.
Okay, Mommy's refusing to be on TV. We got a shot right here. Hold on, get that shot. So your mom...
She would build the table.
Physically build the tables.
Yeah.
She would go to Home Depot, get the wood, start from scratch.
Why?
Bonded.
We were broke.
Oh, okay.
It's true. We were broke, but she has taste. You know, like she wanted to have the table she wanted, so she had to build it.
And you guys were kind of nomadic. You moved over and over and over, and I guess that made you guys closer. Is that right?
Yeah, we moved like 13 times back and forth, coast to coast, and we just love being in the car together. And they were like road trips.
All right.
For us,
well, we're going to cook. All right. Now, each of you has your own specialty. You start off with grilling. You like the grilling, don't you, Jake? All right. What are we making?
We got a beautiful rack of pork baby backs, and my dry rub is cumin, paprika, oregano, salt, granulated garlic, and minced onion and chili flakes.
A little heat.
Exactly.
And look at you. You just whip that up and slather it on there.
Al, I know you like heat.
Come on.
Like the heat.
Like the heat.
All right. So you put that on. How long do you put this on the grill?
So I do indirect heat on the grill for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then they come out really...
I'm nodding and smiling, but I like it. All right, so you cook that up. Guys, give us the rundown. How are the ribs?
The whole thing is amazing.
So tender.
I'm shameless too. I'm just going
I know, we're just shoveling it in.
All right, Jazz.
Yes.
We know baking is your thing, and you're about to cook up something delicious for us. What are you making?
Okay, so this is an au gratin kind of twisted with crab meat in it.
Okay.
So it's extra special. So this is the baby red potatoes.
Yeah.
We have a layer of that. I sauteed the crab with some fresh garlic, minced garlic, and then you put the remainder of the minced garlic mixed with black pepper and salt, and then you sprinkle that
Yes, I'm
on your
sneaking
top
over
layer.
here. All right, and then you add the crab.
And then you're going to add the green onions. You're going to add some crab.
Look how delicious. And that's canned.
And
you
then
can
you're
use
going to
any
add some
kind you
cheese.
want. Kiddos, what are we thinking of the crab item?
I mean, this...
Get after it.
I know.
It's decadent.
Get after it.
It's
very
decadent.
new.
All right.
It's luxurious.
We're moving down to Jurnee. Jurnee's about to pronounce something that I can't. It's a salad. What's it called?
It's called the Blavamato salad.
Blavamato.
Oh, I love
This
it.
name
I
is
love this
fake.
salad.
Jake made this up.
What?
Black bean, avocado, tomato, y'all.
That's what's in the salad.
That's it. And then
we're going to make the dressing with some avocado oil, some Dijon mustard, some lime juice, some salt. We're going to put it in a... Oh, it's got to go in there.
Shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake it. And then we're going to pour it on here. And it's a very
delicious
flavorful
and light
salad.
and delicious.
And a perfect
salad.
Spectacular.
Good.
Great and spicy.
All right, come here to my favorite, Jussie.
And this is a margarita, and the recipe is available in the book, The Family Table, available everywhere that books are sold.
And we have the pralines.
And you have
pralines.
By the way, y'all are so much fun. Your mom
Thank
did
you
so
so
good
much.
with
Thank
all
you.
of
We
you.
love
Thank
that.
you for
Thank you.
sharing.
Thank you for
sharing.
having us.
Jake, Jurnee, Jussie, and Jazz. All right, you can find more of the recipes today.com/food. And for more on their book, The Family Table, please check out today.com/shop. You'll love this book. We're back in a moment, but first, this is Today on NBC, baby. Y'all rocking it as usual.
I like this salad.